Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is March 16th, 2019, 5 p.m. What I have here are two 1985 Evergo Huggers, 42-inch fans. I was actually given a triad of them by a friend, and have no place for the third right now. Only had two mounting brackets down here, and I'm going to leave them up for a while. They seem to be, it's a good source of light, and they do move quite a bit of air. They're good little fans. They've withstood the test of time, for 34-year-old fans. So, start off on high. They move a decent amount of air. I'm on the medium setting. And put them on low. I kind of like seeing the fans on low myself. I think it's like the perfect setting for, at least from a fan collector's perspective, because it's you can actually see the fan and not just see a blur of blades. Now for the spin down. I'm gonna wash these off eventually. I just thought I think they look kind of cool with the level of dust patina. So I figured I'd show them in as-is condition. I like to probably wash them off later. I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do click like on this video, and sign up for my, subscribe to my YouTube page if you would, called The Fan Cave, and check out my Facebook page of the same name. Thanks a lot for watching, folks. Have a great night. Good night and good luck.